Wow. Wow.
What is it?
I don't know what it is.
It's really wrapped.
It is.
It's really special.
Is this special, Grandpa?
Yep.
Mm.
What is it? What is it?
What is it?
A McDonald's cup.
Wow. You're lucky. Wow. Is there anything in it?
No.
Oh, really?
No.
Well, what? Is it special?
Yeah.
Is it really special?
Yeah.
Is it?
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Wow, tell Grandpa thank you.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Oh my gosh, that's nice.
There's
Is that?
nothing in it.
Isn't there?
No. No milk in it.
Huh.
You know, is that your favorite present?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
I put it in there.
Maybe, you know something? Maybe you can give that.